cluttered because they offer just 14 different courses. When I say course, it means both 4 years as well as 5 years. There's only one branch which offers a 4-year as well as a 5-year course, and that happens to be aerospace. So you have a 4-year course, a BTech course, and a 5-year dual degree BTech MTech. Biological engineering, on the other hand, there's only one 5-year course offering. Biological sciences, 5-year BS-MS program is there. Engineering design, 5-year BTech MTech program is there. And physics again, 5-year BS-MS program is there. Apart from that, all the other branches offer only 4-year programs. This includes CSE, electrical, mechanical, civil, chemical, metallurgy, engineering physics, and naval architecture. So least uncluttered and just 14 different courses all over. So let's look at the closing ranks in 2020. I'm looking at round 6 closing ranks. CSE category wise, open category, gender neutral. As you know, there are two pools. One is the gender neutral pool, the other is the female pool. Female pool to cater to that 20% ideal which institutes are looking at. So 20% representation, to ensure 20% representation for females. You create this female pool and add this supernumerary seats so that females get that 20% and boys number of seats is not reduced in any way. So you have this female pool also. So in the case of CSE, 158 for gender neutral, 576 in the case of female pool. EWS 37 and 164, OBC 92 and 402, SC 54, 181, ST 23 and 14. That is in the case of CSE. Electrical, gender neutral is 844, female is 2046, EWS 202, 567, OBC 427, 1307, 304, 355, 185, 213 in the case of ST for electrical. Similarly, mechanical, similarly, civil. Now you might be wondering, why is it that in the female pool, the rank closed at 14, whereas in gender neutral, the rank closed at 23? The order in which the seats are filled in the case of females is, first they will fill the female pool, and if still girls are remaining, they will compete in the gender neutral pool. That is how it is done at all places, at all the IITs. First the female pool will be filled, and then the remaining girls will continue to compete in gender neutral. That is why you have this particular result where 14 is the closing rank for female and 23 for ST. Okay, now the next thing that I would be interested in is, I want to get into IIT Madras, whatever be the branch. What is the rank that I need to get depending upon my category so that I ensure a seat at IIT Madras? So to get a seat at IIT Madras, category wise, if you belong to open, gender neutral, then you need to get 12762 as per last year's 2020 figures, 12762. And what is the branch that I will get? Biological sciences, or 5-year biological sciences, that is the BSMS degree. In the case of open female, the corresponding number is 14212. So till 14212, I can get a seat in IIT Madras in the case of open female category, and the branch happens to be in naval architecture and ocean engineering. Then you have EWS gender neutral category, 2233 biological sciences, EWS female 4054 biological sciences. In fact, all of them except ST gender neutral, where the closing rank, 946 is the highest rank for which I can get a seat in IIT Madras. There the branch is engineering physics. In all the other cases, biological sciences, that happens to be the least preferred among all branches there. Now you see ST female, the highest rank that you can get, for which you can get a seat in IIT Madras, is 1244P. P meaning that you need to do a preparatory program first, qualify in that, and then get on to the branch. So that is 1244P biological sciences. So to give you an idea what kind of ranks you should get in JEE Advanced, so that you ensure a seat at IIT Madras. Category wise, these are the things. You can take a screenshot of this. Okay, right. So all the best for your JoSAA counseling, and I hope that you get the branch as well as the institute of your choice.